In this tutorial, I will show you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. First, open HubSpot and log into your account. From the left sidebar, click on the App Marketplace. In the search bar, type ClickUp. Select the ClickUp app from the results. Click Install. You may be asked to log into your ClickUp account. Enter your credentials and continue. Review the permissions and click Authorize. Next, choose the ClickUp workspace you want to connect. Select the lists or projects you want to sync. Confirm your selection. The integration will start syncing your data. Once complete, go back to your HubSpot dashboard. Open any contact, company, or deal. You will now see ClickUp tasks linked inside HubSpot. You can view and manage tasks without switching platforms. Make sure you are using the correct accounts during setup. That is how you integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM.